Alright guys, Bitcoin is pumping right now and we need to be going live and discussing this exactly. It is happening right now and let me quickly make a post about this. I'm live right now. Watch here. Let me quickly make a post about this because we need to be going live. It is happening right now with Bitcoin. We are trading on a Friday, so tomorrow is gonna be weekend. Right now we are getting a massive breakout. So we need to be discussing this exactly. So let me tweet this right now and there we go. All right. And let's discuss what is happening right now. Let's discuss what is happening right now. Let me have a look into this chart. Yes, indeed. Bitcoin is breaking out even further towards the upside. Well, Bitcoin has been creating this consolidation in the short term, right? I've been watching this consolidation over here today. I've also been tweeting this consolidation. Right over here. And what we could actually be seeing is that the stock market has been showing a lot of strength today. Like you can be seeing over here, well, the stock market is quite literally right now, once again, reaching new all-time highs. Literally, this is insane strength again. While Bitcoin has still been lagging behind quite a bit, but it has still been looking very good, guys. It has still been looking very good. Today, we have been having a look into this bearish divergence over here and this rising wedge being created. And of course, this level of resistance over here, But guys, what I've been telling you is that I still definitely see the scenario of us actually breaking out towards the upside. Definitely a breakout towards the upside is still going to be very valid, but also a rejection was also going to be very valid. But we are seeing a breakout right now towards the upside, definitely looking very good. My spot holdings are exploding like crazy right now at this current moment. We are still forming this falling wedge pattern, so let's see how this level of resistance is going to be behaving. Are we going to be getting a rejection, or are we already going to be getting a bullish breakout right now? Now, I would like to say, for me to in order to take this trade over here, this falling wedge breakout I've been discussing, well, I would like to see at least 3 touch points. So a little bit of a rejection first of all, then some more consolidation, and then a breakout towards the upside. At least 3 touch points I would like to see for this breakout. Anyways, Bitcoin pumping like crazy. And another thing which we could be seeing today was that Michael Saylor bought even more Bitcoin, and instantly after he bought more Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin started pumping towards the upside. Let's refresh this page. Yeah, he is now down 2.1%, but I think this is a little bit wrong. Maybe his average purchase price was has already been started like a week ago, something. But anyways, yeah, he has bought more Bitcoin. The announcement was made today, and ever since he bought more Bitcoin, Bitcoin has just been pumping ever since. So that's looking very good. The stock market is bouncing towards the upside. Stock market is reaching these previous all-time highs again, just like I shared on my Twitter today. So it is starting to look very good for Bitcoin. Let's have a look into some altcoins, and let me have a look into the live chat right now. Guys, we are live with 35 people live in the stream. Thank you guys for all joining me. Bitcoin is pumping like crazy right now. Glad to have you all guys in the stream. Make sure to push up that like button. Make sure to do that, and let's have a look at what the altcoins are doing. Are the altcoins kind of exploding? Are the altcoins pumping towards the upside right now? We need to be having a look in towards that. Yeah, 24-hour Polygon is actually pumping. I think some news came out for Polygon. That's the reason why it's pumping. But I'm not too sure about that. Also, some OG coins are right now pumping. Quant, Dogecoin, Chainlink, Toncoin, very nice to see. Uniswap, we discussed Uniswap, of course, yesterday. Very nice to see. Pepe, all right, looking good. Let's have a look on that 1 hour. Yeah, meme coins, Bittensor, Phantom. Yeah, all of my top holds are pretty much pumping right now on that hourly. Looking very good. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart. What do you think will happen next week, right after the Fed rate cut? I think, to be honest, I've been saying this for such a long time. I think we're going to be seeing some pretty bullish price action with the rate cut. This is not like what everyone is going to be expecting, but I do expect some bullish price action. And by the way, I do think that this month we are up right now. I do think that right now we are up on the month again. I think this chart still has to refresh. But this was monthly open, right? Oh, right here. Yeah, we are up on the month. We opened a month here. So we are right now up on the month. That's actually very interesting because September, of course, historically speaking, has been a bearish month. So I don't know. It's still hard to believe that September we are going to be breaking out bullish over here. But I mean, it could definitely be possible. It could definitely be possible. I would not be against it. I would not be against it. We have seen since the month of like March or April, I think. April, we have seen so boring price action for Bitcoin. So I would not be against a bullish month of September. But regardless, I think that Q4 is going to be extremely bullish. So it's not really going to matter what's going to happen in September. But yeah, breaking out bullish over here, looking very good. Looking very good. Let's chart some altcoins. Looking on the 24-hour, Polygon absolutely exploding. What is happening with Polygon? I don't know. Let's have a look. I'm having so many charts open right now. Matic is absolutely pumping. But yeah, it's been like this whole bull market, it's been doing nothing. So that's of course to be expected. A little bit of a pump. I think some news came out today for Polygon. Also Dogecoin, I think it's breaking its trend. Oh, it's testing the trend now. All right. It's testing the trend now. So yeah, maybe we could be seeing a bullish breakout right over here. Anyways, Bitcoin continuing to go higher. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin funding rates. Bitcoin funding rate still being very, very low. So that's still looking very good in my opinion. The Bitcoin funding rates are still looking very good. They are still extremely low. Also in this case, if we're going to be seeing this pump, well, we might just be seeing this double bottom over here. This is going to be the first real moment we are seeing like a shift in trend, right? Because we have seen lower lows being created each and every single time. This is the first time where we actually got an equal high. Or if you want to be measuring the wick, we have actually seen a higher low, right? So this is going to be like the first moment we shift in trend. If we are going to be keeping this bounce up. But I do think we're going to be keeping this bounce up, to be honest. Of course, trading at a Friday, coming back above this level of previous support, turning in towards resistance, right now back in towards support. On a Friday, looking very good. We might just be consolidating over here at this level during the weekend. And then next week could be very bullish. Definitely going to be looking very forward to next week. Anyways, what do you guys think is going to happen in the short term right here for Bitcoin? I do think we have already reached our price target, right? This breakout target. Yep. Already kind of reached that price target of this breakout. So I don't know. I think this move is already kind of over here, but still we will be having a look in towards it. Have a look in towards some altcoins. Because let's have a look at the Bitcoin dominance. What's the Bitcoin dominance doing? It's increasing again, all right. That's so unfortunate to see, but yeah, it's to be expected. It's to be expected. I think the Bitcoin dominance will start to fall, like as shown right here. I think it will start to fall like this line over here, when eventually we're going to be getting this bullish breakout over here. Then we will see our crazy altcoin season. Not yet right now, so. Still, patience is what's needed. Anyway, seeing this perfect breakout retest over here. Looking very good. Is the Bitcoin bearish divergence still active or already invalidated? Yeah, I would consider it to be kind of invalidated, right? Because in this bearish divergence was coming from the confluence, in my opinion, from this rising wedge, and also this level of resistance. And we are just seeing a break above right now. It was looking very much like a short squeeze, of course, because still the Bitcoin funding rates have been very, very low. Thoughts on Wolf on Ethereum. Top holder donated 2 million to community treasure for listings. I'm not too sure about it. But I think Wolf like dumped massively, right? I don't know which one it is. There's so many out there. I think it's this one, right? Yep. So, I mean, chart is starting to look better. Chart is starting to look good here. Yeah, honestly. I'm not too sure about it. Buy Bitcoin now. If you want to hold for the long term, definitely. If you want to take a trade, right now is not going to be the best time to take a trade, in my opinion. Thank God I didn't short. Yeah, I'm never shorting. I'm never shorting the Bitcoin price. I am never shorting the Bitcoin price. Why not shorting? Because shorting Bitcoin is too risky. Shorting Bitcoin is too risky. I'm going short from 60.8. I don't know. Like, I would not short, honestly. Um, yeah, of course. Shorting is going to be too risky, in my opinion, in a Bitcoin bull market. Yes, you could have taken good shorts inside of this trend over here, but usually during a Bitcoin bull market, we just tend to go up, right? Sideways and up. So, yeah, I would way rather actually long every single bottom over here than to short every top. Shorting every single top over here is too risky because eventually you were just gonna break out. What are your thoughts on longing at a 2x or 3x as an investment? Well, I would not invest with a 2x, first of all. If you're gonna invest, it has to be on spot. But if you want to take like a longer term swing trade, that's fine. Of course, you also need to keep in mind the risks that are going to be involved. But for a swing trade, I think it's fine. Sorry, but a real trader can trade in both ways. Now, okay, yeah, then I'm not a real trader, guys. I'm not a real trader. Look, it's very easy for me. It's very, very easy for me. I just long in a Bitcoin bull market and I short in a Bitcoin bear market. It's that easy. I'm not gonna try to catch this bottom over here, then long it till this point. No, I'm just gonna catch this point over here from a level of resistance, and then short it, and boom, you catch this move over here. I'm not trying to short this move over here, and then no, it's too risky. It's not worth the risk to reward. The greater trend is right now towards the upside. I'm not trying to range trade this. I'm trying to catch a long for the next move towards the upside. And well, if that doesn't make me a real trader, I'm okay with it because I make money. I'm not in the game to be right in the market. I'm in the game to make money. Bitcoin is just below a trend line from 29th of July. Let's delete this chart here. Hold no relevance. July. Oh yeah, interesting. Yeah. Here, extend. It's not hitting it yet. Technically, but maybe on that like daily time frame it is. Yeah, it depends how you draw it. It's going to be upcoming. It's going to be upcoming. Yeah, about that 60.8k people seem to be talking about. Bitcoin pumping even higher. I talk about scalps. There's a very big chance to retrace. I don't know, man. I don't like scalping. I like more day trades or swing trades. My win rate is just not as high on scalping. With day trading or swing trading, it's so much easier for me. Which three cryptos would you consider the big three of crypto currently? And what? Which is your favorite? You mean what do I think is going to become the top three altcoins? Or just in which three altcoins I'm going to invest in? Bitcoin pumping even higher. This is lovely. Let's have a look at my portfolio. Yep, looking very good. Ethereum is still lagging behind so much. This is crazy. Ethereum seriously has to show some strength anytime soon. But yeah, it just doesn't. It's fine. Eventually it will. Eventually it will. Which three altcoins would you invest in, including Bitcoin, Ethereum? I think you mean excluding. Because first of all, of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then I think Kaspa, and then I think like an AI coin, pick one. An AI coin. I don't know which one. Fetch AI, Render, or EOS. I would say. Depends on what size you're going for. Because Solana is also nice if you have more capital. Render, Bitensor, EOS, Fetch AI. would be one AI pick, and then another one would be like a meme coin. I would consider Pepe. Depends on your capital. No one is interested in ETH right now. Yeah, probably not. But I mean, it's still hard for me to believe that Ethereum will not see a pump this cycle, honestly, because Ethereum has this Ethereum ETF now, right? It's hard to believe for me that it's not gonna pump. It has this network effect from the most development ongoing. Most of the projects are on Ethereum. So I don't know, yeah. Nobody is interested right now, but probably in the future, well, the hype will return. We are seeing it every single cycle, so the cycle is just repeating. It's completely fine. Eventually, Ethereum is gonna pump. I still don't have any background music. That's unfortunate, but who cares, right? Bitcoin is pumping right now, so that's a good thing about it. That's a good thing. Who cares at this moment? And my portfolio is just absolutely pumping. I don't know about you guys. I don't know about you guys. I will sell all my Ethereum at the first pump. I'm not too sure about that. Yeah, maybe it's wise to sell. But I'm still just going to be a believer in it. I still do believe that eventually it will pump. It's just lagging behind a bit in this bull market. Altcoins are not really pumping that much yet. That's interesting. They are pumping, but not like crazy. Sad to see. Usually tether dominance. Yeah, this dominance is decreasing. All of the money is just flowing in towards Bitcoin. Small amounts in altcoins. But yeah, the stock market is pumping even higher. This pump is pretty much due to the stock market pumping. Sorry for asking you, but would you consider Solana plus Render a good investment? Yeah, I mean, you have one AI play and one layer one play. That's quite good. But it depends on how much capital you're playing with. Because if I'm going all in with my portfolio and 2 coins, I think it's not very smart. But if you have like a smaller portfolio, yeah, I think it's going to be smart. Yeah, if you only have $100, of course. But you need to work more, man. Liquidity sitting at 60.8k. I think it's going to be bearish from there. I'm not too sure about 60.8. I don't know where you're getting that level from. It's like a random level. What do you think about Injective? Injective is good. Injective is good. I like Injective. It's gonna break out outside of this downtrend anytime soon. It's already, oh, it's the log. Yeah, it's gonna break out anytime soon. When it breaks out, I think the next move up will be getting initiated. But you've just got to be patient, honestly. When the Bitcoin dominance will start to break down, when Bitcoin will break this megafall pattern towards the upside, that's going to be the moment to fully scale in towards altcoins. XRP might just pick up this bull market within Grayscale Trust. Maybe, but I don't know. I'm not investing in it. I think there's better opportunities out there, better risk to reward. Open a short position, all right? Yeah, people are opening up short positions now, which we can be seeing in this chart, this metric. People on Binance still shorting. Bybit, they're still shorting. BitGet, they're still shorting. Vertex, it's not a big exchange. I don't know why it's up there, but Kraken still short. OKX still short. People are still short. So yeah, what you're just doing is when people are shorting during a Bitcoin pump, well, more liquidity is just being opened at the top side, and Bitcoin will just push even higher. So you're quite literally adding more fuel towards the upside. I'm not too sure if it's going to be a good shorting position here, but who knows, right? Definitely not financial advice. Nice, thank you, bro. No problem. By the way, we have just closed another hourly candle, opened a new one. I think also 4 hour. Yes, also 4 hour candle. Wow, this 4 hour candle. Look at this insane candle body. That's crazy. And of course, we're going to be headed for another weekend. This weekly candle is looking quite bullish in my opinion, but each and every single time Bitcoin has been creating bullish candles again on the weekly time frame. For example, right over here, it's been looking bullish for a few weeks and then we crashed down. For example, right over here, this one looked very bullish, but we just crashed down. This structure was also looking bullish, but we just crashed down. I don't know. News coming in right now. Let me have a look. Oh, it's not news. I got an Zoomer alert, but why would you short this time? I'm not sure, man. I'm not too. Oh, this is just a fake news. Fake news. If you want to buy, do I wait until tomorrow until price is correct, or just do it now? What would you do, bro? Um, I don't know. When I'm buying, I don't like to wait and uh risk missing out. I don't like that. Like for example, this chart over here, I don't like it. I don't like to wait until 40k, but that 40k might not get reached, right? Just like the people here waiting for 30k didn't get reached. And right now they have just missed out on huge gains. Like, not huge, but 44, maybe 70. But this is like a better example. People waited for 12k. All right, what is it like? It was like 20% better. Yeah, 20% better entry. But instead, they waited. They waited, right? Instead, they got nothing, but they could have gotten a 4x. That's like the opportunity cost I don't like. That's why I always just buy right now. But that's what I do. I know that I could be on the, underwater for like a few months, but I don't care. On which moment do you consider a pump it's over? I don't know, like usually after these pumps, we tend to just consolidate, then see one more pump, and then maybe a little bit of correction. But when do you think it's over? Well, it's hard to say, right? Because right now we are testing some resistance. If we're going to be getting a rejection, it's definitely over. But that's like easy to say, then it already happened. I mean, we're touching resistance. If we break this one over here, I think it's over for now. But if we break above it, I think we can definitely reach this level at the very least, and this level over here. So just play it level to level. Yeah, honestly, already hit his target, right? Already hit this target over here. Touching resistance right now. So, I don't know. I do think there's a pretty good chance of this bump actually already being over right now at this current moment. But yeah, if this pump is going to be over, I would love to see the altcoins pumping now. That's usually what happens, right? Bitcoin pumps first, then consolidates, and then the altcoins pump. Some say that the top is in, and maybe we will see a mini alt season on October, November. What do you think? I don't think so. I think. I think we're going to be seeing this bullish breakout here. Then at the point of the breakout, altcoins are gonna explode. Here, this moment, altcoins are gonna explode. And like that's going to be the final wave of this cycle. The final leg. That's what I think. So yeah, let's see if Bitcoin can be breaking above, but I don't think so. It's time for some more action. Some more altcoin pumps. We're not seeing it. Hey bro, welcome to the live. Welcome Army of Turbo. Great name. Great name. It's going to grab liquidity. Everyone is shorting now. Yeah, if everyone is shorting, which we can be seeing at the Bitcoin funding rates, they're still negative. Over on Bybit, they even flipped negative just now. But yeah, people are shorting, so more likely to push even higher eventually. Indeed. Maybe take out this high here. But yeah, touching resistance now, so. Popcat is going to 1.2 in 24 hours. It's not fate, it's certain. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be certain, but it's like double in price. Eventually it will reach the target, but not in 24 hours. Once it breaks 60k, it's showtime. Yes, indeed. We need a higher high on this time, or it doesn't look good. If Bitcoin dominance goes up and Bitcoin goes down, it will look nasty. I mean, yeah, right here we're creating higher highs, higher lows. But I think you mean on this chart here. And yes, here we definitely need a higher high. Then we're going to be seeing this bullish breakout. By the way, this Bitcoin weekly candle over here is looking very bullish in my opinion. Raka is also a good active with a big community supporting. I'm not too sure about it. I don't know the coin. Daily time frame 64k. Yes. All right. This level over here. Yeah, break above this level over here. Confirm that double bottom. That's definitely gonna look very good. Indeed, because right here on that daily time frame, we are in this downtrend over here, right? Yeah. Break above this high here. Wow. Then we will really explode to the upside. Another I want to bring you is Bobo. I don't like Bobo because it's a bear. I don't like Bobo because it's a bear. And bears are just not the narrative. I like Mew Mew because it's a bull. I like this one because it's a bull. Perfect rejection, just like the stock market. Yeah, stock market is getting a slight rejection, right? It's to be expected from this level over here. Of course, if we extend this level, yeah, perfect rejection. I don't know, but eventually this looks like a bullish setup, right? This looks like a bullish setup. So I do think we're gonna break out bullish over here. Anyways, yes, Bitcoin pumping right now, looking very good. Touching this level of resistance, I do think that this move over here is gonna be over anytime soon. However, it's looking very good, but I have to close the stream down for today. Tomorrow, I will be back with another daily update video. Definitely, it's going to be a very important one because we are breaking out right now. Anyways, guys, if you want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me over on Twitter. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning. Bye bye.